One more thing is written here, there is no clearance. If there is a clearance, that means clearance is provided, then what will be the formula? In place of V1, V2 dash and V3 dash, we will write the effective swept volume in each stage. Now, what is the amount of heat rejected in the intercooler? Heat rejected in intercooler. As we know that in the intercooler, the hot air loses its heat to the atmosphere and get cooled. So, what is the amount of heat rejected in each stage intercooler? The amount of heat rejected in first stage intercooler is equal to the MCP T2 minus T2 dash. This is the amount of heat rejected in first stage intercooler. And what will be the second stage intercooler? The amount of heat rejected in second stage intercooler is equal to the Q2, which is equal to the MCP into T3 minus T3 dash. This is. Now, what is the two-stage polytropic compression? Two-stage polytropic compression means compressions follows the law of PV की power n is equal to constant. Here you can see the PV diagram of two-stage polytropic compression. If the compression occurs in single stage, then compression follows this curve. If the compression occurs isothermal, then the isothermal compression follows the curve 1 3 dash, and if compression occurs in two stage, then it will follow the curve 1 2 2 dash to 3. Again, this portion of work is minimized in two-stage compression. So, what will be the formula of work done, or what will be the expression of work done for the two-stage polytropic compression? This will be equal to the summation of work done in lower pressure cylinder plus summation of work done in higher pressure cylinder. This will be equal to the n upon n minus 1 P1 V1 into bracket P2 upon P1 की power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 plus n upon n minus 1 into P2 V2 dash bracket P3 upon P2 की power n minus 1 upon n minus 1. This is the expression of work done for the two-stage polytropic compression. If if adiabatic compression occurs, then this formula will be equal to the gamma upon gamma minus 1 into P1 V1 bracket P2 upon P1 की power gamma minus 1 upon gamma minus 1 plus gamma upon gamma minus 1 P2 V2 dash bracket P3 upon P2 की power n minus 1 gamma minus 1 upon gamma minus 1. So, the only difference is the value of n. If the compression occurs adiabatic, then in place of n we will put gamma. So, again, if there is perfect intercooling, then P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 dash is equal to MRT1. So, work done in two-stage polytropic compression will become n upon n minus 1 MRT1 into bracket P2 upon P1 की power n minus 1 upon n plus P3 upon P2 की power n minus 1 upon n minus 2. This is the expression of work done for the two-stage polytropic compression.